Hello everyone, I am Harbin Singh. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I will show you guys my CS50's final project which I completed with one of the CS50 colleague named Mishari Tyagi. So let's get into it. In brief, this project is based on shop management where we can do multiple functionalities like generation of invoice, product management like creation and updation, money withdrawal and many more. As you can see here, we have login page opened up. As I log in into it, we will get this index desktop, and that is only because we log in into using an admin user. And here we're getting a 2 bullet points which is showing the total sale till now of the current date, as well as the withdrawal entry which is done today. And these are the buttons which have linked to different page with different functionalities. Let's check into it one by one. So this page is for bill generation. Let's create one quickly. Item is the drop down where we can choose items from the database. 8, and discount will be decided by the sale type, whether it can be retail or wholesale. And after clicking on add item, the item which we have selected, it will be added to the table here, and we can also remove this. Let's make add one. As you can see here, after clicking on delete, it will delete it. And once more, here we have one more functionality, like if I add Bhelpuri once more, then it will add into the previous entry. Now it's become 12. So as you can see here, the customer name and phone number are still there even after clicking on add item and clear because it's in the session. After clicking on print bill, all the data will be printed in PDF form. Currently I don't want to print it, so I'm cancelling it. And after refreshing this page, all the data will be gone. So this was for the generation of invoice. After that, we have functionality of item and worker where we can add one more like many more items of worker. Let's create one item quickly. Nachos 50. Let's make it 5 and 7, and quantity will be 500. And category will be, in category we can also create new category by choosing others. And let's make new category by name nachos. So as you can see here, the bill, the amount of the sale is added here, and as well as if I check this sale here, today's sale here, and it's added here also. So let's check one more functionality, money withdrawal, where we can withdraw the money to whom we can say Gagan. Amount is 500, or let's make it 1000, and reason daily expenses, and phone number will be 7. As you can see here, the withdrawal entry is added here, but it will only pick the top 5 entries as per the amount. As well as here we have a sale functionality where we can check all the transactions which have been done on current day or previous days. As you can see, if I choose the 2nd of March, then we'll get the transaction of the previous day. Okay, so after that we have one more functionality where we can check the data by some visualization. Here we are getting a percentage of item which have been sold today. Currently I have only sold bel puri, that's why we're getting 100%. But here, as you can see here, we have data of last 3 days. Actually we can choose data of last 7 days, but currently we only have data of last 3 days, that's why we're getting only 3 days here. And here we have a today's transaction which have been done today. It will show also whether it's a deposit or withdrawal. And as well as in admin, it's only for admin. Here we can also register a new user. Let's make it by name Sagar. Sagar@gmail.com. Let's make a non-admin user. After creating a person, it will ask for the username and password which we want to create. Then it will log us out. Sagar and Sagar. As you can see here, for non-admin user we only have few functionalities, which is invoice generation, withdrawal, add item quantity, and history. Where history we will only get the transaction which have been done by the user, current user, not by the all users. But for admin we will get a transaction which have been done by all the users. So let's create, to check that we can create one bill. Let's make it a quick one. Now return for add item and print it, and let's refresh it. And as you can see here, in today's bill we're only getting to invoice towards Dasham, not towards Kagan. As I log out from this and log in by Hermit once again, we will also get transaction or regard towards Dasham here also. As well as we have one more functionality to change the password. As you can see here, we have a change password page, and this select person is a drop down where we will get all the users which have been present in the database. And after choosing one user, we can change the password of it. Let's make it Rajni 123 Rajni 123, and let's change it. So it's changed now. So this was DukaanMate, and thank you.